Do you have a sister Juliet and you would like to make this type of shirts in layers? Hello my loves, welcome to Creating with Paola. In this video I'm going to teach you how to make layers, how to make these shirts in layers in Leonardo Studio. For the material I'm gonna be using HTV. You can use any type of color, like any color you want, and everything is gonna be down below on the description. You can tap or click the title of this video and you will see the description of this video and you will see all the links. Okay, so just letting you know, let me know in the comments what you think about this. I cannot wait to know what you think about it. If you want to learn how to make this shirt, then keep on watching. It's really easy and you can make it like in no time. You're gonna learn a lot. The first thing you're gonna do is that you are going to look for any drawing here in Google. I found this one right here and I can click on it. I can save the image from here, or I can screenshot the image. Okay, you can do whatever you want as long as you save the image. It's perfect. Okay, so the next thing you're gonna do is that you are gonna go to the link down below and you are going to that link is gonna send you to this website. Okay, so you can click here or you can drag the image to the website, and I'm gonna click here. Here is the image. What you are going to do is that you are going to click on each color that you need. In this case, I don't need this one, so I'm gonna click on the pink one, the skin color, and the white. Okay, these are the colors that I need right now. So I'm going to click on convert, and it's going to convert the image on the colors that we choose. Then you're gonna click download and you're gonna click download SVG. You're going to save it, and let's go to Leonardo Studio. You are gonna click file and import file. I'm gonna click the trace 3, which is the one that I just downloaded. Leave it like this, like editable artwork. Click here, click apply, and we are going to use only one layer. Trust me, only one layer. So here I'm going to ungroup. So I click right and this appeared. I'm going to click ungroup, and you see here the colors that we choose on the website. We are not going to need that, so you can click here and you are going to delete it on your computer. Delete, because the only thing that you are going to use is the black layer. Okay, so after here, what you are going to do is this. I'm going to teach you. So what I did was that I click on the square and I made a square over the Minnie Mouse, right? I made sure that I click select, and then I'm going to select these two. Okay, and I'm going to show you what happened. I'm going to show you something. If I click here, I cannot ungroup the layer. Okay, I cannot. So that's why I'm using this square. Okay, that's the reason why. So I'm going to select both of them, and I'm going to click make compound, and then I'm going to click release compound, and you can see here, haha, can you see this? So while I was editing this video, I noticed something. I'm gonna go back. So this is what we import, right? Um, you don't have to do all the steps that I did before. You can just click release compound, and everything will appear. But like, I was so excited when I did it, because that's how I did it. But now you know how to do it the easier way. Like, you don't have to do so much. You don't have to do the square. You don't have to do make compound, and yeah, you don't have to do that. Just click release compound, and then that's all. Can you see this? Yes, yes. These are all the layers. So I'm going to delete this square and I'm going to make each layer the color that I need. Okay. So for example, this is the bow, right? So the bow is pink. So let's make the bow pink. Let me click here, the color picker. I can, nothing is selected right now. So I'm just going to look for the pink right here. So let's click the bow. The bow, it's on layers, remember? So you are going to use this key on your keyboard, shift. This is the key that you are going to use. Okay, you're gonna need it. You're gonna need it. So I'm going to click one part of the bow. I'm going to press shift, click here, and click here because we need the bow. That's what we need. You can click here to get the pink that we already had, and then click apply. Okay, so we have one layer ready, which is the bow. Now the face. Listen to this. I'm going to show you something. Let's say you are not, like, you choose a color but you don't know which color it was, and you don't want to go here and then pick. You don't want to do that. Let's say that you are used to this color wheel, and I'm looking for a skin color. Okay, so this was selected. I choose a skin color, but I'm gonna need this part, which is part of the face. I'm gonna need it the same color. So what you can do, I'm going to click here, and I click another part of the face, and I'm going to click here and then copy this color. I'm going to click this part, and I'm gonna click here and then apply current color, and look, boom, perfect. Another thing that you can do is that you can group all the layers that you want to be the same color of. Okay, so I can click this one. I can press shift to multiple select what I need. I can do that. I'm going to select, make sure and remember that when you are clicking something, or before you click it, or the arrow is on top of the layer, it's going to be green. Okay, which means that you can select that layer. Okay, so I'm going to select it. Everything it's selected, I'm going to group it, and right now I can just click here, click and then click white, because this is a white area, and this is gonna be red. Even though we didn't do that on the website, it doesn't matter, honestly. What it matters is that you have your layers. Okay, so the Minnie Mouse is ready for you to cut it on layers. Oh yeah. I'm going to delete the shift, and here you need to select everything and just make it the size that you need, the size that you desire. It doesn't matter. And I'm going to send this sign. Do not look at this. I mean, wait, hold on. The bow, I don't know why the bow is there, but do not pay attention to this at all. I'm gonna send it, and here you can see all the layers. Bam, bam, bam. You have all the layers here. So make sure that it's on mirror, and if you want to use the auto weed box, you can do it. It's up to you. But yeah, I think I cracked the code on making layers in Leonardo Studio. So you already have it now. So let's put everything together, and now you're gonna see how it's going to come out. So this is how you're going to place your HTB on your Caesar Juliet. The HTB, it has to be side down, like shiny side down, and the matte side up. Okay, that's what you are going to do, and you can put it in any way. It doesn't matter as long as you do it the right way. This is the wrong way. Okay, you're gonna see the light that is shining but this is the right way. This is how you need to do it. And then on this side, this is how you will like enter the or insert the HTB in the Sister Juliet. This is how you do it, and it has to go all the way in like this. Um, this is how you do it. For me to cut the material, I chose easy weed, but I put a little bit more pressure. Usually it was a 5, so I put it on 8. If you do not know how the scissor is going to cut your material, do the test cut. Okay, do it before you make your project because it will save you a lot of material and time. Okay, this is the best thing on Caesar Juliet. So just do the test cut and you'll be happy. Depending on how big or depending on the size of your HTB, you can move your blade anywhere that you want to start. So here are the rest of the materials that I cut. You can do the weeding box. This is what I did, and I'm showing you how it came out. I'm just cleaning this, but look, this is amazing. I really like it because it really helps me on weeding. Like I didn't use a weeding tool for me to clean this, and then you just cut it. You cut it the way that you like it. It doesn't matter. I'm gonna be using the HTB Rond, uh, the HTB Rond auto press. Yes, I'm gonna be using that one, and you're gonna see all the settings that I'm gonna be using. So here is the HTV Rond AutoPress, and the settings that I always use are 400, okay, 400 degrees. I always use that on all my machines, but in this one I'm going to use more time, which is 10 seconds. I usually use 5 seconds on my heat press, so I'm gonna be using 10 seconds on this one, and this is how you change it. It's really simple. You can use any heat press. I'm just showing you how to do the layers on Leonardo Studio and to see the outcome. I'm gonna be using this Gildan shirt, which is 100% cotton, and this is how I'm gonna place it on the heat press. Now let's do the first layer, which is black. This is how I'm gonna be doing. I'm not gonna use any nothing to cover this layer because I want direct heat. That's what I want. When you use this heat press, you need to let this thing to cool down. If you don't let it cool down, it will peel with everything will be ruined, okay? So let it cool down as long as you want. For the rest of the layers, I'm gonna be using 4 seconds because I'm gonna be pressing a lot. So you can even do 2 seconds or 3, but I'm gonna be using 4 this time, okay? Let's peel this off. And for the rest of the layers, I'm gonna be using Teflon to protect the rest of the layers. You can press it again to erase the lines. This will help a lot on that, and it's up to you. So let's see, it came out amazing. And look at this, look at this. This was on the Teflon sheet, so whatever. We made our layered t-shirts, which I'm proud of. This is amazing. I'm so happy. You can make yours. This is up to you. You can make any image, which is amazing. And have fun. Have fun. Thank you so much for watching this video. I am so happy that I cracked the code using Leonardo Studio on how to make layers, how to make your own layers. This is crazy. I'm so happy. Well guys, share this video so everybody can learn how to do it. This is free. Subscribe, and thank you so much for everyone that is supporting this channel. Thank you so much. See you on the next video. Let me know what else you want to see from this machine, because I love it. I really do love my Juliet. Do you?